This is Lee Creek, and we are fishing this deep hole right here. I don't know if you can see, there's a bunch of little fish swimming everywhere out here. And Jet, show your little pole. All right, so Jet, he got this pole at Walmart for $9. See if we can catch anything on this. Think you can catch a fish on the $9 pole from Walmart? Get there closer. There we go. That's another one of those long-eared. Look at the color of those. They're small, but I cannot get over how colorful these guys are. See, it's got that real long fin right there, that side fin. That's why they call it a long ear. That's fish number 4. We caught one off camera. Jet caught one off camera. So this is number 4 total. Put this guy back in.
What you got? Let me see. Pretty. Do you know how to get him off the hook?
It might be from her.
Oh, got one. Oh yeah. Ah, these aren't real big. Was this number 6?
And have they all been long-eared sunfish?
Yeah, they've all been long-eared sunfish. They're quite small. Just in this little hole right here, they're pretty small.
We had some at home like that, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
Mommy, come.
So we're on Lee Creek right now, and it's in far western Arkansas. And so I'm just using a couple split shots, small little hook, and we're using real worms. The Jet, he's using a bobber on his. I'm just fishing off the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh, he come off. Missed him. Got him. He's a little bit bigger. Number 6. He kind of swallowed the hook, so I'm going to have to get a pretty, not near as colorful, a little bit bigger. Cool. All right, I got to go get some pliers to get this one out. All right, Jet caught fish number 7. A little small one. I'd like to get into something a little bit bigger, but...
Is that enough worms still?
But this is fun, huh? Because we're going to catch like 100 of these. Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Everything. Another long-eared sunfish?
Yep. And then I changed baits. I'm not using the worm right now. I'm using that little tube jig.
Look, Mommy. Wow.
There we go. These are like saltwater colored fish almost, huh? Oop, there it goes. That's about number 10.
I want you to know. Okay.
It's a tiny, tiny one.
What is it?
That's the same thing we've been catching.
What? Say what it is.
It's a green sunfish, I think.
Long-eared sunfish?
No, it's a green.
That's a green one. That's like Big Blue, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah. We used to have one of those at home named Big Blue, didn't we? That we caught when he was a baby. You caught him in a trap.
Is that what happened? I'm pretty sure I caught him on a reel.
Oh, really? By Jet. Oh, that's a bigger one, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit bigger. Yeah, so this is a green sunfish, a little bit bigger. I mean, it's not eating size or anything like that, but they're fun to catch because we're going to catch like 100 of these guys.
You having fun? Okay.
I like to hop on these rocks.
Little bitty. What is that?
Green sunfish.
Uh-oh. There you go.
It's a smallmouth bass. Hey, all right, here's one.
That's a giant one, Dad.
It's a little bit bigger. It's a smallmouth, but it's still a smallmouth.
Dad, Daddy, good job.
Whoop. Look at this big guy.
Can I release him?
Yeah, there you go. That's what I want to catch. Oh, there he goes. Thought I'd catch some big ones. That was. Jet, you going? There we go.
That looks like a crashed boat.
It does, doesn't it?
What?
See, you can even catch fish when your kids are swimming. You can catch them right by where they're swimming. That's a bluegill here. Or no, a green sunfish. That one's a green sunfish because you can see the green marks on the mouth of it, and their mouth is usually quite a bit bigger.
Before you put him in the water, can I see him? I want to release him over there.
This has got to be this. Don't touch it. Look how small this one is. This has got to be the smallest one I've ever caught.
I think there might be a baby turtle right there. There's a baby turtle.
Did you get it? Now it's all.
No, I'll still catch him. I am gonna catch this guy.
Is it a musk turtle?
It's got a baby musk turtle.
Did we bring anything we could put him in?
No. I'm gonna go show Dad. Can I go show Dad? Here, give him back. Hey, Dad! I caught a baby musk turtle.
No. Hey, hand caught it. Little guy. He's about the same size as ours at
No.
home. You don't think so? He's smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger.
I'm just gonna go put him back there.
Okay guys, so that was us fishing at Lee Creek. We had a really good time taking the family out, catching a whole bunch of little bluegill and letting the kids swim around. So thanks for watching. Also like and subscribe. We're going to make a whole lot of fishing videos, and so you'll get notified whenever we make some more of those. And I will see you guys in the next video.